What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? 392 Blurred Lines coming back at you real quick, fast, and in a hurry. First time coming to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hey, forgive me for my tardiness, but brother been, taking care of business. But today, we're up here at Brother Pomps.
What's going on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just to that point where now it must be about time to turn the key and see what we got going on. Hey. First time coming to the channel, welcome to the channel. Everybody else, y'all know how we do it. We back one more time. I'm gonna turn you guys around. We getting ready to fire this thing up and see how it's percolating, this little 360 small block. You know, we only mess with small blocks. 360s, that is. So, hey, you hear some noise? There's a fan back here in the background, but that's all right. We're gonna drown that noise right out real quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I'm gonna turn you guys around. And we just gonna keep it moving. And hey, let's hope everything goes well, which it should. All right, hold up, let me swing you around. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I had to get on him and say, man, quit letting that motor sit. There's summer getting away. Go ahead and get that thing put together and drop it on down in there. All right, all right. What year is this?
84.
84. Dodge Daytona. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you see this swirl? That's just wax. You put wax on the side, trying to keep it from getting scarred up, laying across the fenders. But other than that, she should be ready. That's the last little small block that came out of it. So now we're going a little something different. I know about them. Boy, it's a beautiful day today. I know that. Got them Mickeys on there. Oh yeah, I know. I haven't been posting in a while. It ain't like I ain't been wanting to. It's just that brother been busy. Can't post everything. But we still working on Operation Dart and trying to get this front end right. We're trying to get this front end right. We made another appointment. I'll take it over there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna tear the front end down. He's going to have to adjust the upper control arms. They are adjustable. So that's where we're at right now. We finally come to the conclusion that's what's going to have to be done. There's no way of getting around it. We got to do that. So we've set up a time. Haven't got the date yet, but it's going to take us a little while to get it done. But once I get that done, then my plan, try to set up a date to go up to Martin, Michigan, so we can get some times, see exactly what this little 360 small block gonna do in a quarter mile. All right, but I'm gonna turn you guys around. I think we're getting ready to get started here. See if we can get this thing popped off. So be patient with us. See if we can get this thing worked out. So right now, do a little walk around. Hold up. Got a leak up here on top. Right here.
Right there?
Right there. Bowls filled up quick too.
Loose.
All right, all right. Let's see what we got going on now. Still leaking a little bit. Still leaking. Still coming out right at the top.
I need to see like that. Remember you had to change that. It said all winter.
I do have some more of those rings if need be. And that's tight too. Still leaking. Still leaking. Leaking pretty good too. Yeah, little stuff like this, just gotta find all the little bugs. That's a bug. That's a gremlin right there. That's just a gremlin. Trying to slow down productivity.
All right, we're gonna try it again.
That paint didn't last long. Now your fuel pump.
Oh, that, I ain't even got it on. That's why I shut
That's why I'm like, wait a minute. Hold on. You ran out of fuel. I was thinking, I said, wait a minute, how come you never turned the fuel pump on?
That's why I shut off.
Oh my gosh. See, I'm learning now. I gotta have a fuel pump working. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir.
That's why I shut off.
Ooh, real carburetor. There they filling back up. Well, what button is it? So because if you got to keep messing with this up here,
Okay.
don't want it to shut off.
The center one.
Okay. adjust his valves, take out any lash. But other than that, she's running. She's running. Man, that battery was so dead, it wouldn't turn over fast enough. Where the temperature get up to?
Yeah, it's about 200. Right now it's about 210. I'll let that baby cool down.
I put that thing down there to catch that water. No good. Well, that dude's supposed to start back up. Man, you know what? You should have said somebody to grab that tool at the house. Them tools I just bought to do your valves.
Oh, yeah.
Golly.
Mine's not real hard to get to. Yeah, that would have been nice.
Man, just there too. You ain't got no kind of cat dry, kitty litter.
Yeah, I do got some.
I might want to catch this. I'll see something.
And go ahead and put that charger back on.
All right. Keep that baby charged up. Okay. And that's an 18? Or is yours the same as mine?
What?
The clearance, 18,000? Oh, goodness. See how he's doing this with a wrench and that Allen wrench. I just purchased a tool to do this. It makes it a lot easier, and we forgot it at the house. Didn't think about it actually, but it would have made this a lot easier with the right equipment to do the job. Just look.
Yeah, I got too many wrenches going on. Took that off.
Just wait for it just to stop, huh? Stop moving.
Need that tool.
Yeah. That's why I bought that dude. I said, I'm not going through that with double wrenches. Hey, got it running. Got a few things got to take care of, but other than that, it's all good. Like I said, a few things got to take care of, and we just going to keep it moving. Let me turn you around and see what the boss think here. All right, now what we got going on? What's the ideal here? What's going on?
Well, I think for one, we got to get a new battery. The other thing, they should have a hose from here to there to let that circulate water. And with that being a race intake, they didn't put a hole in it. And I should have knew that from the get-go. But I was in a hurry to get it together and didn't do it right. It's making it kind of get too warm for my likings. So we'll take the intake back off and have that fixed. Trial and error, you're going to have that.
Yes, indeedy.
But she sounds good. I like it. And maybe this time next weekend, we'll try her again. If not before.
All right, if not before then. But other than that, we think it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good. All good. So we're gonna leave it at that. We're gonna come back out at you guys a little bit later on. And he's just draining coolant here because, as he said, we got to take the intake back off. And what has to be done is right here. This perfect example. This has a fitting inside of here. Got to drill the same spot and tap that so we can have this fitting in here to put this hose on here so we can keep the water moving. So we just gonna keep it moving. Y'all know we keep it moving. So we gonna cut this off right here. We're gonna cut this off right here, and we're gonna come back at y'all a little later on. Calling it a night. We're gonna go to the Jazz Festival. So hey, first time coming to the channel, welcome to the channel. Everybody else, hey, we're gonna meet you guys a little later on, and we're gonna do this all over again. And as I said before, we just getting started. We're going to have some fun with these little small blocks. We're going to have some fun with these little small block 360s. So, hey, stick with us, hang out with us, and there's more to come. We just taking our time and making sure we do it right because, you know, hey, when you rush, you got to go back and redo things. So, all that being said and done, we're going to shut this thing off right here. And we're going to come back at you a little bit later on. 392 Blurred Lines coming at you. Peace out.